Market just opened, 9:30. Had a push higher after the news came out. See a little level at 1880 and went up around 19,000. Got R2 around 1880 as well. This is the MMT trend and reversal indicator with the ADX as an input. Just got this on a little tiny chart. Keeping an eye on it, testing things out, seeing if it's something I might want to use. I did a video yesterday talking about how you can use a different input series for any indicator, but especially the trend and reversal indicator. I showed it on a MACD input and a simple moving average input. If you haven't checked out that video, I highly recommend it. It can dramatically change how the trend and reversal indicator works. This is the rough draft of the MMT Delta indicator. It's getting renamed to the MMT Ultimate Delta because I'm going to have several different features. Should be revealed later this week. I talked to the guy that's helping me code this. He's finally got some time to work on it more this week, so hoping to have the final rough draft to be able to test out and do some videos on, make sure there's no bugs, and then release to the public shortly after that. I also had an epiphany while I was out on a hike on how I wanted to do the Delta Renko, and if everything works out, I talked about it with my coder, I'm just going to have an extra parameter on the current delta bars indicator that will add a Renko option but also keep the original bars the same. Hopefully I'll have more to share on that soon, and if it does work out, anyone that already owns the delta bars indicator will get the free upgrade. Anytime I update or change any of the indicators, if you already own a license, you get lifetime upgrades. Well, I was thinking about taking the bounce short off of 80. Just bounced right off of R2, down 20 points. That level I was looking at on the 60 minute was this big rejection wick right here on the 60 minute, right at 80. We got ebb and flows to the upside here on both the NQ and the ES if we break above these highs, break above R2. Got a little bit of room up to whole number. Got a reversal candle. It's about 7 points down to the 20 SMA. Not that much room. We had the push up after the news. Not ready to take a reversal trade this early in the day with not much direction in the price action so far in the first 5 minutes. Hovering right around the center of the opening range, which is still forming this orange squared line. The MMT with the ADX as the input seems to be giving some nice directional clues this morning. Got a couple reversal arrows. Once we did break kind of below the 20, did pop down about 15 points. Gonna see if we go test the R1 again here. Put my stop below the 20. Got out for like 150 bucks. It's 175, 175. Looks like it went to full 10-point target there. We had the green entry candle here. We had closed back above the 20. We broke above this green entry candle here. We did pop up back to R2 now. I like the idea of taking this trade more than a break of R2, although I kind of like that idea too. If we do break higher, I'm probably going to get out pretty quick if it doesn't push right away. This price action isn't super momentous yet. Yeah, didn't like it. I wanted to just rail through that thing. Didn't want to get this poke and retrace. Got lost like 40 bucks on that trade. The ES is taken off. With the ebb and flow signals, if we don't get the break of the signal candle on the very next candle, it's not an official trade, but sometimes if I see this level on the entry candle has never been broken and we approach it several candles later, I might take it just depending on circumstances, but the circumstances are not that great at the moment, in my opinion, for taking the breakout. If we get another attempt, that might finally push it up to whole number and beyond. Got a few points there. It was hesitating, I popped out, but we just popped up the whole number and broke above 05. So out of the 3 trades that I took today, up 600 bucks. That's after commissions in that one losing trade. Price is not really going anywhere in a hurry today, which might change at any moment. So far, no major swings, especially compared to the recent volatile markets. ES is still pushing up nice. We got a 5 or 6 point move up after the break of this level here. I'm gonna turn the recording off, and if anything exciting happens, I'll flip it back on